Have you ever wondered why affordable housing seems to be a global challenge? It's a question that keeps many of us awake at night. Across the globe, from bustling cities to the most remote villages, the housing crisis is a pervasive issue. The reasons behind this crisis are manifold, yet two key factors stand out: high construction costs and limited resources. Constructing a house traditionally is a costly venture. The materials, labor, and time involved can rack up quite a bill. And then there's the issue of resources. With an ever-growing population and a finite amount of land and building materials, the pressure is mounting. This crisis isn't just numbers and statistics, it's about people. It's about millions of individuals and families worldwide who are struggling to find a place they can call home. So we find ourselves asking, could there be an innovative solution out there to combat this crisis? Meet 3D construction printing, a technology that might just be the game changer we need. This exciting innovation takes digital blueprints and transforms them into tangible, livable structures layer by layer. Imagine a giant 3D printer, but instead of plastic, it extrudes concrete. So what makes this technology so special? Firstly, it's cost-effective. It drastically reduces the need for manual labor, helping cut down on building costs. Secondly, it's fast. A basic house can be printed in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right, a house in a day. And let's not forget sustainability. 3D construction printing uses precise amounts of material, minimizing waste. It can even repurpose recycled materials, contributing to a more sustainable construction industry. The potential here is enormous. Affordable, quickly built, and eco-friendly homes could well be the answer to the global housing crisis. Sounds promising, doesn't it? But don't just take our word for it. Consider these real-life examples where 3D construction printing is already making a difference. In the frenzied metropolis of Shanghai, China, the Winsun Company printed 10 houses in a day, each costing less than $5,000. Yes, you heard it right, less than $5,000 for a house. Over in Mexico, a company named New Story is combating poverty with 3D printed homes. They've constructed an entire community of 50 homes, all 3D printed, providing shelter for previously homeless families. Across the ocean in the Netherlands, Project Milestone has not only built 3D printed houses, but they've done it with a design flair, creating homes that look like large boulders, seamlessly blending into the natural landscape. These stories showcase how 3D construction printing is revolutionizing the global housing market, making homes not only affordable, but also sustainable and unique. These are not just isolated instances, but a glimpse into a possible future. So, what could the future of housing look like with 3D construction printing? Imagine a world where homes are affordable and accessible to everyone. A world where the time and costs associated with traditional construction methods are drastically reduced. That's the potential of 3D construction printing. This cutting-edge technology could revolutionize the way we build our homes, making them more affordable and faster to construct. Not only could this technology solve the global housing crisis, but it also has the potential to create sustainable and environmentally friendly homes. We're talking about homes that are energy efficient and made from recycled materials. This is more than just a technological advancement. It's a step towards a greener and more equitable future. To truly understand and appreciate the potential of this technology, it's important to delve deeper, to learn more about it. The possibilities are boundless, the implications vast. Affordable housing for all may not be a distant dream after all. The future is here, and it is being built one layer at a time.